Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Ishan. Today in this video lecture we will learn about the classification of human dentition. Number 1 deciduous dentition, number 2 permanent dentition, and number 3 mixed dentition. Classification of dentition. Viewers, here we will learn about difference between two terminologies about heterodont and homodont. First one, heterodont. The human dentition is termed heterodont, which means it is comprised of different types or classes of teeth to perform different functions in the mastication process. Homodont. In comparison, a homodont dentition is one in which all of the teeth are the same in form and type. This type of dentition is found in some of the lower vertebrates. Human dentition. Man has two separate sets of teeth or dentitions. This is termed dyphodont, opposite to monodiphodont, when there is only one set of teeth, and polyphyodont, when more than two or continuous sets of teeth are developed throughout life. In man, the two dentitions are termed number 1 deciduous teeth, number 2 permanent teeth, third one mixed dentition. The transitional phase when both deciduous and permanent teeth are present is called mixed dentition period. Deciduous teeth. The teeth of the first or primary dentition. They are so named because they are shed like the leaves of deciduous trees in autumn. They erupt in the mouth from about 6 months to 2 years of age. Normally, there are 20 total deciduous teeth. Other non-scientific names for the deciduous teeth include number 1 milky teeth, number 2 baby teeth, and third one is temporary teeth. Viewers, in this picture you can see the real example of primary dentition or baby teeth. There are 10 primary dentition in per arch and 5 primary dentition in per quadrant. Permanent dentition. The teeth of the second or adult dentition. Normally, there are 32 permanent teeth and they erupt from 6 to 20 years of age. Classification of the teeth. Permanent dentition. As was pointed out, man is a heterodont, which means that more than one type of tooth is found in the human dentitions. Viewers, in this picture you can see the example of permanent dentition. There are 16 permanent teeth in per arch and 8 permanent teeth in per quadrant. Each complete quadrant of the permanent dentition contains 8 teeth of different type and function, as follows. Incisor. The incisors are the two teeth of each quadrant which are the closest to the midline. They are named central and lateral incisor function. Their function in mastication are biting, cutting, incising, and shearing. There are 4 permanent incisors per arch and a total of 8 in the mouth. Viewers, in this picture you can see the example of central and lateral incisors. Canine. The canine is the third tooth from the midline in each quadrant. Function. Its function in mastication is cutting, tearing, piercing, and holding. It also is called cusp. There are 2 permanent canines per arch and a total of 4 in the mouth. Viewers, in this picture you can see the example of canine and cusp. Premolars. Premolars are the 4th and 5th teeth from the midline. They are termed first and second premolars. Function. Their masticatory role in tearing, holding, and grinding. They are also called bicusps. As with incisors, There are 4 per arch and total 8 premolars. Viewers, in this picture you can see the example of premolars. Molars. The molars are the 6th, 7th, 8th teeth from the midline. They are termed 1st, 2nd and 3rd molars. They are also called 6-year molars, 12-year molar and wisdom tooth in that order. Function. Their masticative function is grinding. There are 6 permanent molars per arch and 12 total permanent molars. Viewers, in this picture you can see the example of molars. It can thus be seen that there are 16 permanent teeth in a complete arch and a total of 32 teeth in the permanent dentition. Viewers, now we will discuss about the deciduous dentition. Each quadrant of man's deciduous dentition contains the following types of teeth. Function. All of which have a function similar to their permanent complements. Number 1. Incisors, which are named central or lateral incisors. Number 2. Canine or cusp. Number 3. Molars, which are named first and second molars. Therefore, there are 5 deciduous teeth per quadrant, 10 per arch and a total of 20 primary dentition. When compared to the permanent teeth, the primary dentition contains an identical number of incisors and canines, but has no premolars and 1 less molar per quadrant. Viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.